Cooking with Mark. Hey, this is Cooking with Mark. Hey, check this out. This is 2 jars of Del Grosso spaghetti sauce. Your standard size jar that you get, the bigger one. And it's 1 can, 48 ounces, I believe, is what it is, of crushed tomatoes and 2 pounds of hamburger. That's what's in this pot so far, this Ninja Foodi. Here, I'll show you. The hamburger's raw. 2 pounds of raw hamburger. 2 jars of spaghetti sauce. 148 ounce can of crushed tomatoes is in this pot. We're gonna try to make some baked ziti or something to that effect. I'm not following any recipe. I'm just throwing some stuff together here. 2 pounds of beef, 2 jars of spaghetti sauce, the bigger jars, and the 48 ounce can of crushed tomatoes. We put the pressure lid on it. We're gonna do it on high. So we're gonna do pressure high. Pressure high. We're going to do it for 20 minutes. That should do it. Start. 20 minutes. We'll see you later. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Baked ziti is what I think, or baked rigatoni is what I think I'm making. So you can see what I used. Because I lied to you. I lied, unintentional lie. This is a 24 ounce, 2 24 ounce jars of spaghetti sauce. And this is I believe a 28 ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 pounds of hamburger. That's what I have in that pot so far. 2 of these, 1 of these, 2 pounds of hamburger. Let's see what happens. Went into a warming mode, so we're going to shut it off. Stop. We're going to turn the power off. Then we're going to go ahead and let the steam out. We're just going to throw this over there. Go ahead and hit the steam valve. Let the steam all come out. I use a clean washcloth. Dish towel, so I don't get steam all over the ceiling. Once the steam's all out, then we're going to add the pasta. I wish this phone had like smell-o-vision or something, because if you could smell it, it smells pretty good. All right. What I did next, I went ahead and released the steam. Then what I did is I added a box and a half of these rigatonis. They're 1 pound boxes. So I added about a box and a half. I'm going to push them all down in the liquid. I'm sorry about my camera skills here. You know what we're going to do is we're going to put this on. We're going to close this lid, put it back on high pressure, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Like I said, we're going to go back to pressure cook. We put the lid back on, the pressure lid. We're going to go back to 5 minutes. Alright, we cooked the noodles for 5 minutes. I turned it off. I'm going to go ahead and take the steam out of here. You know the drill. After we got the steam off and we cooked the noodles for 5 minutes, I'm just stirred up here to show you what it looks like. Noodles are cooked. It's all good to go there. What we're going to do is we're going to cover this with some mild shredded cheddar. We're going to air fry or air crisp the cheese on top to kind of give it the baked effect we want. And then we're going to eat it. So 1 pot, that's simple. 2 pounds of meat, 2 jars of sauce, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, some cheese on top. We used pretty lean hamburgers. We didn't have to drain that. I'm going to put some cheese on there now. Poured some cheese on there. I didn't measure it out. We're just going to spread it around. Spread it around. Spread it around. Spread it around. Now we're going to close this lid. We took the pressure lid off. This is the air crisper lid. I'll turn the power on. Put it on air crisp. We're going to air crisp it. We'll do 300. And we'll do it for, let's do it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes at 300. Start. And after that, we're going to eat it. Okay, let's have a look at it. It's going to shut off here in a second. This is baked rigatonis. 1 pot everything. Ninja Foodi. No! Check it out. Check it out. Tell me that don't look delicious. Thanks for watching Cooking with Mark. See you guys. See ya. I like meat, and this is rigatoni baked in an air fryer with 2 pounds of beef. Thanks for watching.